So sometimes people ask a question, should I clean my coins? Well, the basic answer is no. If the coin is a low value like this French 1 franc and you're not intending to sell it, then cleaning it is not actually going to do much harm. But if it is a higher value coin, like something like this Straight Settlements $1/2, I would suggest not cleaning it. The main reason for not cleaning coins is that it actually reduces its value. People generally do not want to buy a coin that has been cleaned. They would like to have a coin that for these base metal coins has been toned, and for these silver coins this one is actually in pretty good condition, but for other silver coins, those that have been aged have history, and people actually like that. So if you have a coin like this, silver 1 shilling, it has some discoloration. That's probably a type of oxidation, probably sulfur, because this is not 100% silver, and silver itself does react with other metals, but this is probably the copper in the coin that is being oxidized or reacting with some other element. So this discoloration here is actually in the coin, and this discoloration here is the top layer of the coin. It's called a patina, and it actually gives the coin a good type of look. So if we have an older coin, so this is a very worn coin. It is actually a French, is it French? Emmanuel? No, it's Italian. Oh no, Napoleon III, that's a French coin. So this one has a dark patina on it, and a coin like this is actually quite collectible in better condition. But this coin here doesn't need to be cleaned because the patina is an oxidation of the surface and actually helps to protect the coin. So I have these two coins. This one is natural, this one is being cleaned. As you can see, this one is a bronze coin. It looks quite shiny and it looks artificial. That's how you know something has been cleaned. It just doesn't look really that good for its age, and it's too shiny. But this one, as you can see, the patina is starting to form, especially in the areas that actually don't get touched by human hands, which is it actually hasn't been worn off a bit. So which one would you want to actually buy? Personally, I would rather buy this one. And this one, well, it will actually turn into this condition only after a few years. There are ways you can artificially do it, but on a coin like this, I wouldn't even worry about it. And also you get coins that have other types of discoloration. So this Russian 5 ruble, as you can see, has discoloration here, and it's pretty patchy actually. And this side is actually looks more like rust. So as this coin is low value, cleaning this coin will not hurt it. It's just exchange rate, which is about 10 Australian cents, and it is actually not really that high grade, so in the long term this coin will not be worth lots of money. But if you had a rarer coin, 1999 I believe, then I actually would leave the condition alone. because you could get a higher value than if it was clean. So cleaning generally reduces the value by about half, but that really depends on the actual coin and the original value itself. So in conclusion, just don't clean the coins unless they're very low grade and low value, because no one's really going to buy them anyway. Thank you very much and have an awesome coin collecting time.